Hello guys.
Before.
So welcome to my first waxing video DIY. I'm doing it myself. Not myself, but
Liar.
someone is going to help me. My roommate is going to help me, and she's going to show in this video. It's going to be here.
What?
I'm waiting for her.
What?
So I'm used to doing it in the spa or maybe someone else waxing for me, but I want to try it. I got a waxing package from Sugar Wax by Audrey. Yes, they are Sugar Wax by Audrey on Instagram. You can check them out. So I'm going to be using it. I've already put my wax in a hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to get it.
Don't spoil your video. Are you recording?
I'll add this to
Don't add it, please. Now.
So in the package, I got 16 reusable strips. I got an aftercare oil and the detox dust. Nice. And the wax is in the water. I'm going to get that now. You don't want to talk again. Talk now.
I won't say anything.
Talk now. I will add you to the
anything.
video. So we have 2 people with us here. Sorry, 2 individuals. My roommate that's going to wax me, and the Sugar Wax, the man of honor. You can see him. Sugar Wax hair remover.
Man of honor.
Is he a man or be woman?
Oh yeah.
You say we should turn it from bottom back?
Mix it, yeah.
Ha, this thing na work. Oh. Okay. So where are you waxing? We're going to wax here.
Take care, is better.
Here on camera. Then
There we
off
go.
camera she'll wax other places.
I don't understand.
So we're going to be putting the detox dust. So come on, it's not opening up. I don't have energy.
You have to
for
face
this
me.
one. I don't have energy for this one.
Where's that scissors? I thought we had the scissors here.
I think they are cutting it. The thing is already coming out. Still is poured out.
You have to face me.
Easy on me. Go easy. I'm very fragile.
It's okay.
I'm very, very fragile. You are going up. Oh. I thought we agreed with small fraction of my arm.
Relax.
Just down here now. See.
No.
You should not pass this circle.
Okay, I'm ready.
Not pass this circle. Hey, wait.
So now we're applying, yeah?
My God. Okay.
Somebody will think that I want to kill you now.
Small.
Are you ready?
Small. Try it small, please. You are going up, oh.
Okay, yeah. No problem.
Hey, God. It's okay. With this sugar leave my body. Oh my God.
You're disgracing me outside.
They can remove it.
outside.
Hey. My hair growth is this way, ba? Did you see my hair growth direction? Press it well. Press it. Okay. Oh, yeah, do it.
Are you ready?
Do it.
Are you ready?
I don't have muscle cramps on my arm.
Maybe I'm beating
Do
you.
something now.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Wait. Show it.
It's removed
off. Sorry.
I'm having palpitations.
It's remaining very tiny.
I see why you and Miri are friends.
You're not serious. Can you see? Oh, actually clean though.
It's clean, see. I'm still shaking.
Actually, I'm not in the wrong
Show them
profession.
this thing.
Actually, I'm not in the wrong profession.
Hey. So we're going to other areas, but off camera.
Jesus, this thing is awkward. You know I'm sweating. I don't know.
So I was able to wax. Then I used the aftercare oil. This is it. I don't know what is inside, but I'm perceiving coconut oil. So I use this. So I'm not meant to scrub or exfoliate. So is it 24 hours, huh? 24 hours after scrubbing. So if you want to see more DIY videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to watch more of my videos. Bye.
Thank you.